Hello everyone, welcome to my channel to know more. I am here to discuss some important MCQ question and answer. Basically, it is very important for any competitive exam like TET, CTET, APSC, UPSC, Assam Police, etc. और मैंने उसकी पहले 2 या 3 वीडियो उसके ऊपर बना चुका हूँ, उसकी लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है, आप लोग जिसको ज़रूरत है वो देख सकते हैं. एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल एंड. लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. Your first question is, who was the first secretary of Indian National Congress? Your option is Alan Octavian Hume, option B George Whaley, option C Firuz Shah Mehta, and option D William Wedderburn. Your correct answer is option A Alan Octavian Hume. Let's move to another question. Which of the following is not a member of SAARC? Your first option is Bhutan, second one is Nepal, and third one is Singapore, and fourth one is Maldives. Any guesses which one will be correct answer? Your correct answer will be option C. Singapore is not a member of SAARC. So let's move to another question. India's smallest neighboring country in population. Your first option is Pakistan, second one is Bhutan, third one is Sri Lanka, and fourth one is Maldives. Your correct answer is option B. Bhutan is the smallest India's neighboring country. Your next question is, while giving the presidential address, the Congress president who advocated the introduction of Roman script for Hindi language was, your first option is Mahatma Gandhi, second one is Jawaharlal Nehru, and third one is Subhash Chandra Basu, and fourth one is Abul Kalam Azad. Which will be your correct answer? Any guesses? Your correct answer will be C, option C, Subhash Chandra Basu. Your next question is, who among the following presides over the Karachi session of Indian National Congress? Your first option is Jawaharlal Nehru, second option is Subhash Chandra Bose, and third option is J.M. Sengupta, and fourth one is Vallabhbhai Patel. Which will be your correct answer? Any guesses? Your correct answer will be option D, Vallabhbhai Patel. Listen everyone, if you find any mistake, don't make any issue. Here I am requesting everyone, please subscribe my channel, I mean your channel, to get more and more related videos. Let's move to another most important question is, who addressed Gandhiji as the father of nation for the first time? Your first option is Subhash Chandra Bose, and second option is Rabindranath Tagore, and third option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and fourth option is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Guys, any guesses which will be your correct answer? Your correct answer is option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose addressed Gandhiji as the first father of nation for the first time. Let's move to another question. In which session of the Indian National Congress Vande Mataram was first sung? Your option A is 1886, option B is 1890, option C is 1896, and option D is 1905. Your correct answer is option C, 1896. Let's move to another question. Who was the founder of All India Muslim League? मुस्लिम लीग का फाउंडर कौन था? आपका पहला ऑप्शन है सैयद अहमद खान, मोहम्मद इकबाल, आगा खान एंड नवाब सलीमुल्लाह खान. Which will be your correct answer? आप लोगों का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, आगा खान. आगा खान द फाउंडर ऑफ ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग. Let's move to another question. Which Mughal emperor's tomb is situated in contemporary Pakistan? Your first option is Humayun, second one is Akbar, and fourth one is Jahangir, and fourth one is Aurangzeb. Which will be your correct answer? Any guesses? Your correct answer will be Jahangir. Your next question is World Youth Skill Day observed every year on which day of July? 15 January, option B 15 March, option C 15 May, and option D 15 July. Your correct answer will be what? Your correct answer will be 15 July. Let's move to another important question. What is the official religion for Sri Lanka? Your option is Muslim, Islam, option B Buddhism, and option C Christian. श्रीलंका का ऑफिशियल रिलीजियन क्या है? इस्लाम या बुद्धिज़्म या क्रिश्चियनिटी? श्रीलंका का ऑफिशियल रिलीजियन है बुद्धिज़्म. बी इज़ योर करेक्ट आंसर, बुद्धिज़्म. हेलो, अब तक जिस लोगों ने मेरा चैनल आपका चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि आपका छोटा सा कंट्रीब्यूशन किसी के लिए बड़ा मदद साबित हो सकता है. सो बी ए कंट्रीब्यूटरी फैक्टर, नॉट डिस्टर्बिंग फैक्टर. लेट्स मूव टू अनदर क्वेश्चन. द स्मॉलेस्ट आइलैंड कंट्री इन द इंडियन ओशन इज मालदीव्स, श्रीलंका, मॉरिशियस, and Madagascar. Your correct answer will be Maldives. Maldives is the smallest island country in the Indian Ocean. Let's move to another question. How many members are in the ASEAN? Your पहला ऑप्शन है 18, दूसरा है 67, एंड तीसरा है 10, एंड चौथा है 53. योर करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, 10. 10 members are in the ASEAN. Your next question is when Asian Development Bank was established? एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक कब स्थापित हुआ था? Your first option is 1966, and second option is 1977, and third option is 1978, and fourth option is 1969. Any guesses? What is your correct answer? Your correct answer will be option A, 1966. Let's move to another most important question is who was the first Indian to be the president of UN General Assembly, United Nations General Assembly? Your first option is Nathwar Singh. Your second option is B.K. Krishna Menon. Your third option is Srimati Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Your fourth option is Ramesh Bhandari. Any guesses? What will be your correct answer? Your correct answer will be option C, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was the first Indian General Secretary at the UNO. Let's move to another question about our Indian Constitution. Protection of women perform domestic violence is a constitutional right, fundamental right, human right and legal right. What will be your correct answer? Any guesses? Your correct answer will be human right. Let's move to another question. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated annually on 28 July, 8 July, 5 July, 25 July. Correct answer is 28 July. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated annually. Your next question is, the first Asian Games were held in, your first option is Jakarta, second option is New Delhi and third option is Colombo and fourth option is Bangkok. आपका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, न्यू दिल्ली. The first Asian Games were held in New Delhi. Let's move to another question. Which of the following article provides for constitution of GST, I mean Goods and Service Tax Council by the President of India? Your first option is Article 246A. Your second option is Article 269A. Your third option is Article 279A. Your fourth option is Article 268A. Any guesses which will be your correct answer? Your correct answer will be option 3, Article 279A. Let's move to another question. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Your first option is direct, or second one is presidential, and option third is representative, and fourth option is doctorship. I think all of you know which type of democracy we follow in India. Representative democracy. Representative democracy we follow in India. Your next question is, which committee was set up in India for identification of BPL families in urban area? First, you have to know BPL. What is the meaning stand for BPL? BPL means below poverty line. Your first option is Tendulkar Committee, and second option is Saxena Committee, and third option is Lagdewala Committee, and fourth option is Hashim Committee. Your correct answer is Hashim Committee. Let's move to another question. Night blindness is caused by deficiency of which of the following vitamin? Your first option is vitamin B, second option is vitamin C, and third option is vitamin K, and fourth option is vitamin A. What will be your correct answer? Your correct answer will be vitamin A. Night blindness is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. Let's move to another question. Let's move to your last question. Whose birthday is celebrated as a National Farmers Day in India on 23rd December? Your first option is Chaudhary Charan Singh, or second option is Mr. Dr. M.S. Swaminath, and third option is Bibi Giri, and fourth option is Barashgari Kurian. Which will be a correct answer? Your correct answer will be option A, Chaudhary Charan Singh. So guys, here I wrap up my today's episode with a special thanks to all of wonderful people for listening to me. Great patience. Thank you and have a nice day. हेलो, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए इस चैनल को और प्रेस द बेल आइकन to get more and more videos. Thank you.